GT, man. What's good, y'all? What going on? Anybody that knows me for any amount of years knows that I have a sweet tooth. It's not my fault. Don't blame me. I get it from my mama because I really do. But anyway, this morning, we filled my belly with some Ditty Island Delights. Delectable, beautiful, so good. Coconut right here, just like the coconut drops my mama used to make. Anyway, all Caribbean restaurants in H-Town, all Caribbean grocery stores. Matter of fact, H-E-B, Kroger. Y'all need to carry this. Ditty Island Delights, locally made, all natural, so good. I fully endorse it. Remember I say so. GT, man, Ditty Island Delights. Woo.